Hello, everyone. My name is Dhruti Mehta, and I'm a founder and owner of a company called Luckdoodle. We're into experiential gifting, something very different, as is different Mr. Gala's session. Very crisp, very interesting. The best part, what I loved about the whole experience, I would say, about this session was, we sometimes do everything right. We know the top things, but we forget our basics. And this session got me back to my basics. And yes, I'm going to be, sticking to them as the word is coined beautifully and the acronyms have been said as Basesh Gala. So yeah, I'm going to be close to sales and Basesh Gala both. Recommend this to anybody and everybody who's looking to bring that spark and take their business to the next level. He is the person to be because he's a man who is grounded, speaks from the ground, and from the heart too. So all the very best to anybody and everybody who takes this ahead. Thank you.